Indulgence, opulence, and sheer automotive majesty. Today, we're journeying into the world of the finest luxury cars. This isn't just about transportation, it's about an unparalleled lifestyle experience. Imagine the thrill of the open road, the subtle hum of a powerful engine, the tactile sensation of hand-stitched leather under your fingertips. We're about to explore 5 masterpieces of automotive artistry, each representing the pinnacle of performance, the epitome of elegance, and the ultimate in luxury. Prepare to be immersed in an extraordinary blend of performance, comfort, and style. First on our list is a symbol of British luxury, the Range Rover Autobiography. The Range Rover Autobiography isn't just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the sheer joy of driving. Nestled under the hood of this majestic beast lies a powerful V8 engine. This isn't your average motor, it's a marvel of engineering designed to deliver a smooth, exhilarating ride. It's a symphony of power and control, effortlessly propelling you from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds. Now let's move inside. Here is where the Range Rover Autobiography truly shines. The interior is a masterclass in luxury and comfort. Picture this. You're ensconced in the finest leather seats, surrounded by a symphony of soft-touch materials and elegant detailing. Every inch of this car has been meticulously crafted with the driver in mind. The seats aren't just comfortable, they're heated, cooled, and offer a massage function. Yes, you heard right, a massage function. It's like having a personal masseuse on call, ready to soothe away the stresses of the day. But the luxury doesn't stop there. The Range Rover Autobiography is also a tech lover's dream. From the high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system to the customizable ambient lighting, every feature is designed to enhance your driving experience. The Autobiography also boasts a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. It's not just about comfort, it's about peace of mind. And let's not forget about the Autobiography's off-road capabilities. With Terrain Response 2, this Range Rover can tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you're cruising down the highway or traversing rocky trails, the Autobiography delivers a smooth, confident ride. In a world where luxury often means compromise, the Range Rover Autobiography stands out. It's a vehicle that combines the thrill of performance with the comfort of luxury, offering an unrivaled driving experience. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a statement, an embodiment of elegance and power. The Range Rover Autobiography, a perfect blend of performance and luxury. Next, we have the Rolls-Royce Spectre, a pinnacle of automotive luxury. Few names in the world of high-end automobiles command as much respect as Rolls-Royce. And among their opulent offerings, the Spectre stands out as a true masterpiece. It's more than just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the power of human ingenuity in the pursuit of perfection. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is a homage to comfort. It boasts an interior that's been meticulously handcrafted to provide an experience that's as close to a luxury living room as you can get on 4 wheels. Every stitch, every grain of wood, every piece of chrome is a testament to the brand's obsession with detail. The seats are more akin to high-end sofas, swathed in the finest leather, offering both heating and cooling options. Moving beyond the comfort, the Spectre's interior is also a celebration of technology. A bespoke audio system, advanced climate control, and a cutting-edge navigation system are seamlessly integrated, providing an environment that's both tranquil and engaging. But the Spectre isn't just about luxury, it's also about performance. Beneath its long, graceful bonnet lies a V12 engine that's as refined as it is powerful. Whether you're cruising down a highway or navigating through city streets, the Spectre delivers a ride that's smooth, effortless, and eerily quiet. The Rolls-Royce Spectre also comes with an array of customization options. From the choice of leather and wood veneers to the color of the exterior, every Spectre can be tailored to the exact tastes and preferences of its owner. This ensures that each Spectre is as unique as the individual who drives it. The Spectre is a car that doesn't just transport you from point A to point B, it does so while providing an experience that's unparalleled in the automotive world. It's the perfect blend of old-world craftsmanship and modern technology, a car that embodies the very essence of what Rolls-Royce stands for. The Rolls-Royce Spectre, where luxury meets power. Now, we move to a masterpiece of speed and luxury, the Bugatti Chiron Sport. This car is not just a mere vehicle, it's a statement, a testament to the perfect blend of power and opulence. A symbol of both engineering prowess and aesthetic beauty, the Bugatti Chiron Sport is the epitome of high-performance luxury. At the heart of this mechanical marvel is an 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that effortlessly generates a staggering 1,500 horsepower. This allows the Chiron Sport to reach speeds that leave its competitors in the dust. With a top speed electronically limited to 217 miles per hour, it's not just a car, it's a bullet on wheels. But speed is not the only forte of the Bugatti Chiron Sport. The interior of this car is a symphony of luxury. It's meticulously handcrafted with every detail screaming of sophistication. The seats are swathed in the finest leather, offering unparalleled comfort. The dashboard, a work of art, is both chic and functional, offering a seamless user experience. The advanced technology incorporated into the Bugatti Chiron Sport is nothing short of impressive. It features a cutting-edge telemetry system that monitors and displays real-time data on various aspects of the car's performance. Whether it's the tire pressure, engine temperature, or the G-force, every critical piece of information is just a glance away. The Bugatti Chiron Sport also boasts of an intricate aerodynamics design. Its large rear wing, diffuser and front splitter work in harmony to optimize downforce and ensure exceptional handling even at the highest speeds. In essence, the Bugatti Chiron Sport is not just about speed and power, it's about experiencing the thrill of driving at its absolute best. It's about the feeling of the leather beneath your fingertips, the roar of the engine in your ears, and the rush of the wind as you leave the world behind. The Bugatti Chiron Sport, a symbol of speed, power, and luxury. Next, we introduce the Aston Martin Rapide E, a perfect blend of luxury and eco-conscious design. This is no ordinary Aston Martin. This is the Rapide E, the brand's first all-electric model. This beauty is the epitome of luxury electric vehicles, combining the elegance and sophistication Aston Martin is known for, with cutting-edge technology for a more sustainable future. At the heart of the Rapide E is its impressive electric powertrain. This isn't just about being eco-friendly, it's about performance too. The Rapide E's twin electric motors deliver over 600 horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. And with a range of over 200 miles, it's not just a short trip city car. Aston Martin has truly redefined what an electric vehicle can be. Inside, the Rapide E is just as impressive. The cabin is a masterclass in luxury, with hand-stitched leather seats, a sleek dashboard, and all the latest tech at your fingertips. The attention to detail is second to none. Every stitch, every surface, every control has been carefully considered and beautifully executed. This is a car that wraps you in luxury the moment you slide behind the wheel. And let's talk about technology. The Rapide E is packed with innovative features, from its digital instrument cluster to its cutting-edge infotainment system. This car is smart too. It uses artificial intelligence to adapt to your driving style, optimizing performance and efficiency. It even has an app that lets you check on the car's status and control certain functions from your smartphone. But perhaps the most striking thing about the Rapide E is what it represents. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a statement that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand, that you can have a car that is both opulent and eco-conscious. The Aston Martin Rapide E, where luxury meets sustainability. This is the future of luxury motoring, and it's here right now. Finally, we have the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the epitome of automotive luxury. This vehicle is more than just a car. It's a statement, a testament to the pinnacle of craftsmanship and engineering. Its imposing presence commands attention, yet its ride is whisper quiet, offering a sanctuary of serenity on the road. The Phantom's comfort is simply unrivaled. It features a magic carpet ride suspension system that effortlessly smooths out even the roughest roads, making every journey feel like you're gliding on air. The seats are masterpieces of comfort, upholstered in the finest leather and designed to offer optimal support, ensuring a relaxing ride no matter the distance. Speaking of the interior, it's bespoke to the core. Every detail, from the hand-stitched upholstery to the custom wood veneer, has been meticulously crafted to meet the owner's unique specifications. The result is a cabin that's not just luxurious but truly one of a kind. Under the hood, the Phantom doesn't disappoint. Its V12 engine delivers smooth, effortless performance, allowing the car to glide along with a surprising agility for its size. Its power and grace combined in one exquisite package. In conclusion, the Phantom isn't just a car, it's an experience, an embodiment of the very best that automotive luxury can offer. It's a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to creating vehicles that are not just modes of transport, but works of art. The Rolls-Royce Phantom, the ultimate expression of automotive luxury.